going on, everybody? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you're probably doing some research online about how to make money using Clickbank step by step, okay? So over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, alright? And I'm going to take you through the process, what to do, what not to do, and then I'm going to make a recommendation at the end if you really want to learn this stuff properly, okay? So first of all, I'm on Clickbank right now, right? So clickbank.com. Clickbank is obviously the biggest affiliate marketplace in the world. The cool thing about it is all you need to do is go to affiliate marketplace and you can literally just find a whole bunch of different niche markets that you can market in, right? So cooking, e-business, fiction, games, green products, weight loss products, anything you want pretty much, okay? So let's look at the weight loss niche, okay? And let's see how this actually works. So if I come to the weight loss niche, these products here, I'm gonna try and zoom in a little bit. How do we do this? Oh, I can't do this, okay. All right, well, we'll just work with what we have. This one is about lean belly breakthrough. This one is about truth about ketogenic diet, which is really, really popular right now, right? And this is sorted by popularity, okay? If you want, you can sort it by gravity, and all gravity is that the higher the gravity, the higher, the more sales the product is actually doing, okay? That doesn't necessarily mean that the product is good. It just means that they're doing well in sales and the sales funnel is probably pretty decent, okay? But it doesn't mean that the product is good. It just means that they're doing a good job of selling the product. It's really, really popular. Okay, now let's look at lean belly breakthrough, for example. If I wanted to promote this, I would just click on promote, literally just like that. Okay, I would put my account nickname. So you would have to set up a free Clickbank account. I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's very, very easy. Okay, and then up here there is something called a hop link, and all you have to do is promote this hop link. Now how it works is if somebody sees this hop link, right? So I'm gonna show you what this looks like right now. This is the sales page of lean belly breakthrough. It's gonna look like this, okay? So I'm gonna let it load and I'm gonna let you watch it for like 2 seconds and you'll see how this works.
You never look at me anymore. Don't you find me attractive?
Okay, so this is the sales page of this particular product, right? Now you would only choose this product if you're in the weight loss niche, for example, and you want to resell this product. Now what happens is usually a lot of these programs will have a video and then at the bottom, maybe after 5 or 10 minutes when the video is done, there will be a buy button, and when somebody buys that buy button, then you make a sale and you make a commission, okay? Now depending on the product, every single product, okay, will have a different amount of commission. Sometimes it's 50%, sometimes it's 60%, sometimes it's 70%. It depends on the program, all right? And it's as simple as that. That's all Clickbank is, okay? That's all affiliate marketing is. Now, I'm going to show you something that will really shock you, and this is the reason why a lot of people aren't making any money on Clickbank, okay? So, this is the reason why people, okay, I'm gonna change this, why people don't make money with Clickbank or affiliate marketing, because it's basically the same thing. If you're marketing on Clickbank, you are basically doing affiliate marketing. That's all it is, okay? So this is what people do, right? Now, first of all, you generate traffic, okay? Now, traffic can be generated from lots of different methods. You can use, SEO, you can do blogging, you can do YouTube videos, you can use social media, right? So you can use your Facebook account, for example, to promote different articles or different stories, different links, right? You can join groups and do that. You can do banner advertising, right? You can do solo ads. You can do pay-per-click marketing like Google AdWords, Bing, what else? Bidvertiser. I mean, there's so many ways to generate traffic, right? Social media influencers, right? So people like Instagram. Who else? Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, YouTube, for example, okay? These are lots of different strategies. Now, this is the problem. This is what people do. They send all their traffic, okay, usually directly to, and people are a little bit smarter these days. They use a landing page, which is fine, okay? But then they send them straight to the Clickbank offer. In this case, right? Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be the Clickbank offer. So this is your hop link, right? The website, that little link that you saw earlier, this is basically your specific hop link, right? They send traffic to a landing page. The landing page collects the email. So you're collecting the emails here, right? And you're collecting them in your what is called an autoresponder. Okay, that's a piece of software that collects email addresses and you can follow up with people on a regular basis. You're building basically your email database pool, which is great. That's what you want to do, right? But then people make the mistake of sending their traffic, their leads directly to their Clickbank offer or their affiliate link, affiliate offer, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. Clickbank, JVZoo, CJ affiliate, their own affiliate products. It doesn't matter, right? Now this is the reason why people aren't making any money online. Okay, it's because everyone is doing this. So imagine if there are millions of internet marketers online doing this exact thing that you see right here. Okay, this is why people aren't making money on Clickbank. The way that you have to do it instead is this. Okay, so it's fine. If you want to, you can send traffic directly to your landing page, collect your email, and then you can send them to the Clickbank offer. But realize that most people aren't gonna buy the Clickbank offer outright, okay? Because people are seeing so many promotions online day in and day out, that what will happen is that they get desensitized. And when you get desensitized, you basically just don't buy anything, right? So if you send the right amount of traffic, you might generate, 1 or 2 sales here and there, but you'll never get in profit, okay? Because people just don't buy that way. Instead, what you need to do is, you could do it that way, but what you need to do after that, okay, this is what most people will do, okay? As soon as people get onto their autoresponder, okay, autoresponder, let's just say people don't buy your stuff, right? They get onto your autoresponder and you email them automatically for the next few days, right? This is what people will do. They will send them directly back to the Clickbank hop link. That's it. That's all they do. So as soon as someone lands on the landing page, they opt in, they see the offer, and then they get an email from you every single day sending them back to the same Clickbank offer. Can you imagine that? Imagine if you're getting emails every day and it's sending you back to this exact page. Do you think you'd buy? Definitely not, right? Because you're seeing the same crap over and over and over again. Just because somebody sees this more often doesn't mean that they're gonna buy it. That makes sense, right? I mean, this is pretty obvious stuff, but unfortunately, this is not very obvious to most people, so they don't do this, okay? So, and they just keep slamming and slamming and slamming and slamming and slamming that list, and so what happens is this, okay? This is what happens. So let's just say you've got a list now of, let's just say you spend lots of money on your traffic, you collected emails, which are leads, right? So emails equals leads, okay? And so your leads is basically your list, right? It's the same thing. Let's just say you've got on your list, or the leads that you have, let's call it leads, okay? That you have on your database, let's say you get 1,000 leads, okay? Now, if you're emailing these 1,000 leads every single day, but you're sending them back to the same sales page, you're sending them back to this exact sales page, what do you think is gonna happen to people that are opening your emails? Well, this is what's gonna happen. The open rate, okay, of your emails will probably start at about, I would say you would probably start at, it'll probably be pretty high. It'll probably start at maybe 8% initially, and then your second email will quickly drop to 5%, and then your next email will drop to 3%, and then it will just hover at about 2% to 1% for the rest of time, okay? So imagine this, right? You've got 1,000 leads that you spend good money on or good time on, and only 2% of them actually open up your emails. That means 1, 2, 3, I've got my calculator here, right? 1,000 times 2%, it means that only 20 people, you see that? 20 people, every time you send an email, are actually opening your emails. And out of those 20 people, the conversion rate is actually 1%, okay? So 20 times 1%, 0.2 people, so that's 1/5 of a human being will actually buy your stuff if you have 1,000 leads. That is dire. That is just dire, okay? Now, there are a lot of things that are going on here, okay? First of all, your open rate should not be that low. Your open rate needs to be at least 15 to 20% or more. Now, you can get there by adding lots of value. So instead of sending people directly to this affiliate offer over and over and over again, what you want to do is you want to do this, okay? You want to broadcast emails with value. That's it. That's the secret sauce, okay? Value. That means you teach them something valuable about weight loss, if that's what you're marketing. If you're marketing internet marketing, then you teach them about internet marketing. If you're, in the dating niche, make sure you give them tips on dating, whatever it is, okay? You broadcast email, give them emails that give them a lot of value, all right? And the easiest way to do that is to create videos. Something like this, like the video you're watching right now. It could be your face, it could be a PowerPoint, it could be, a big notepad where you're making notes. It doesn't really matter, okay? But value is the way you're gonna get, first of all, your open rates up, okay, to 20% or more, which means more people are opening your emails, and it also will increase your sales closing rate to between, I would say, again, 5 to 15%. Okay, sales conversion rate, sales conversion rate. Okay, if you can close 5 to 15% of all people that are coming through your sales funnel, you're going to be in profit. All right. If you're only closing 1%, which is industry average, or less than 1%, 0.2, like you saw earlier, then you're going to be in big trouble. Okay, so I hope that this kind of explains a little bit about how to actually make money through affiliate marketing, through Clickbank, and through any sort of selling products on the internet, any sort of digital products online, okay? Now, you might be asking to yourself, well, Aaron, where did you learn this stuff, right? Well, the thing is, I've been online for a long time. I've been online for 9 years, okay? The first 8 years I failed miserably, right? But over the last year or two, I've generated hundreds of sales. I've made tens of thousands of dollars inside of my business, inside of my affiliate marketing business, and a lot of it was through Clickbank, okay? Now, how did I learn that stuff? Well, you gotta learn this, okay? It's not something that you just pick up on a YouTube video or something like that. I mean, this takes time and effort to learn. I can't teach you this stuff in 10 minutes on YouTube, right? You have to really go deep, okay? And if you're serious about learning how to do this properly, then you have to invest, okay? You got to invest time, you have to invest money, and you have to invest action into building this skill set, all right? Because the only way that you're going to get really good at this stuff is if you improve these things, okay? You need to improve your knowledge. You need to know what tools to use. You need to understand how to present, okay? And it doesn't matter, it could be video format, PowerPoint format, you just have to understand the concept of presentation, okay? You have to understand marketing, okay, which is basically traffic, right? And you have to understand conversions, okay? So there's a lot of things that go into being very successful with making money online, affiliate marketing, and selling on Clickbank, okay? And the one product that I've used to generate a lot of these profits, okay, I want to recommend it to you if that's what you want to check out, okay? Completely up to you, of course, but if you want to see where I learned this and how I was able to generate tens of thousands of dollars, okay, on the internet using Clickbank, all right, you can click on the link right below this video. Right below this video, there's a link right there. It's going to lead you to my website, okay? It's going to ask for an email address. Make sure you enter an accurate email because I'm going to be sending you the information. And if the email is not right, then you're not going to be able to see it, okay? And then on the next page, you're going to actually see the program that I'm using to actually have generated tens of thousands of dollars online, all right? And it's going to teach you how to become really good at marketing Clickbank, affiliate marketing products, pretty much whatever you want, all right? And it's going to cover all of these things right here, okay? This is the only way that you're going to be able to do this. If you think you can do this for free and you're just going to surf YouTube all day, maybe for the rest of your life, then I'm really sorry to be the one that to tell you this, but it just doesn't work that way, all right? You're not going to be able to be successful that way. You need a program to teach you how to do this stuff and go deep, okay? So if you're interested, then you can click on the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Aaron Chen. I'll speak to you very, very soon in another video. Take care.